Okay, brother Shaggi. What is the full meaning of UK?
Say UK?
Yes.
That's United States of a Kingdom.
What?
That Kingdom come. You don't know.
Hello everyone, here's your tech informant. I got messages that some popular Nigerian YouTubers weren't mentioned on my previous video. This video is a sequel to that one. In this video, I'll be reviewing the estimated YouTube earnings of these Nigerian comedians and also to prove to you that online is the new normal. So if you're a comedian, don't wait until you are given a big stage before you make it big. You can start now uploading your skit on platforms like YouTube, and in a matter of time, depending on your dedication and consistency, you start making it big. The least earning on this list is about $3,000 a month. Convert it to Naira, you understand what I mean. So this video is part of the Making Money Online series that I'm running on this channel, where I explore ways you can make money online with your skills and talent. So if you love this type of content, consider subscribing to this channel and turn on your notification. It's free. Yes.
It's okay.
Subscribe.
You cannot allow the two things.
Why you dey comot eye? Look am now. You dey phone say you don't know what they do, so you dey phone innocent, so you know you dey comot eye because say you no wan see and look am. Because I know say now you be the area father. You know what they do. You even know what they will do next. Yesterday night I want to go piss 3 o'clock. What you dey do? Who you dey follow talk yesterday night? Who you dey follow talk yesterday night? Sit down with me, talk. Offer more talk. You know the kind of mama where you get. I go beat you, Shaggi. They go ask me where I adopt you from.
I will start with Gloria Oloruntobi, aka Maraji. Out of boredom, she started making short videos in school. That was around 2016. As at posting of this video, she has uploaded 58 videos on YouTube and she has over 200,000 subscribers on her channel. She started uploading on YouTube since 2018 and currently she earns over $3,000 every month from her videos on YouTube.
Come and change it to this channel for me. Mommy, how many times have I told you to use this remote? I mean, this is common sense, Mommy. You just keep quiet. Where did they say you? It's me telling that common sense. I mean, no, I'm Robani. Yeah. All your father's family, till reaching your father, they didn't have common sense like me. It's me that have common sense past in the whole of your family. Common entrance. Well done. I'm going out. Hey, what about the money I said you will give me for groceries? Use your common sense to buy it now.
This lady says that even with an offer of 50 million naira, she will never take off her scarf for a movie role, and she believes that stand-up comedy is not for her. Apao Kagi Miriam, aka Taaooma, started making skits to enable her to have clips for her video editing training. As part of making of this video, she has over 200,000 subscribers and has uploaded over 200 videos on YouTube since 2014. She currently earns over $4,000 every month for uploading videos on YouTube.
Madam, look at it. Look at it. We said that GG14 is the best cryptocurrency company that we have. This is the meeting.
But you already know that.
Yes.
Why do you keep interrupting this one? Do you have anything to add?
Of course. No.
Then let him finish! Please finish.
Madam, if you don't fire him, he will bring this company down. Hey! Off the mic! Off the microphone! I have no microphone! Hey!
Debo Adebayo, aka Mr. Macaroni, is a theatre art graduate of Redeemers University. He too says that he doesn't think he would ever try his hands in stand-up comedy. With 150,000 subscribers, he has uploaded over 100 videos since 2019 and he makes over $5,000 every month just by uploading videos on YouTube. As you can see, he's doing well.
Nothing. Wetin happen? Hey, you see how to be like skeleton wey dem dey use for explanation for biology class? Eh? No be God play some people.
Samuel Animashaun, aka Broda Shaggi, has uploaded over 300 videos on YouTube since 2018 with over 630,000 subscribers. As at editing of this video, he is ranked the 31st top YouTuber in Nigeria. He currently rakes in about $7,000 every month from his skits on YouTube. You all know this one is coming, but how much is he making from his videos on YouTube? We will know shortly. Makenja is an Obafemi Awolowo University dropout who started uploading to YouTube skits he co-created with his friends and relatives in their Port Harcourt neighborhood. He has been on YouTube since 2013. One of his channels has over 1.5 billion views as at the time of this upload. I guess some local stations has not gotten this number of views since they started broadcasting. He has uploaded over 300 videos on YouTube and currently has over 6.6 million subscribers on one of his channels. And one of his channels is currently in my next video.